So, welcome to my cutie hub. I'm your lovely cutie speak
Welcome to my cutie
spoken
hub. I'm
English
your
in
lovely. How are
English.
you
So,
doing,
let's
all
get
cuties?
started.
And I'm discussing here about English. So let's get started. In English grammar, we deal with a few topics related to grammar. So, what do you know about the grammar in English? Mostly, we write or read letters when we get from a person A to person B. So, in that letters, we have formal letters and informal letters. So, formal letters are personal letters, and you can write for your friend, mother, dad, or any other siblings of your life or friend. So, that is called formal letters. Next, there is subject you need to start like by saying dear. So, it overall ends with your lovingly or yours lovingly. So, and the formal letters are like when you are writing for an organization, a letter to an organization, the letter to a teacher, or letter to a professor, or letter to a dean, or letter to a principal. So this is overall about an organization you're writing the letter to, and you can, with the help of this English, you can do email to the person of informal letters. Okay, email to the organization or email to the person whom you want to send. So CC, BCC. So this is all overall about sender address and buyer address. Like it's not about buyer, it is about the organizational address and the person who I'm sending I am and my address, and next who I'm sending that person address, and that is the email ID and which is linked, and we are sending through the email. That is nothing but gmail.com. So do you have an idea about gmailing and emailing? Let me know in my comments below so that I'll help you in detail. So this is also a networking formal letter. Write a letter to your principal telling him how much you like your teacher. And the format you need to write a letter to your teacher, that is nothing but formal letters. And this is the address, this is the things you just check, and the subject, and this all we need to make a form of thing. And here I'm going to give you a few here are punctuations, how you proceed punctuations. And no dogs, bats, bicycles, skateboards allowed in the park. Where you need to put punctuation mark for this note, you just check it out. And here is the punctuation mark. No dogs, bats, comma, bicycle, comma, skateboards, comma, allowed in the park. Means end of the sentences we put full stop. So this is the way we use to do punctuation marks. I hope you like it. Punctuations can help you the words clear and confident to speak. To learn more such an interesting topic, stay tuned to my cutie hub.